Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you with another 3-minute Thursday, and just chilling here at the O'Hare waiting lot, looking to get a ride here soon. It's a Thursday, so one should come pretty quickly, so I figured to knock out the video. I appreciate all the comments I've been getting on all the videos I've been posting lately. Been a lot of interaction, but not a lot of questions for the most part that like require even a full 3-minute video, and not really any questions that I can kind of lump together into the same thing to do a video. So just gonna kind of expand on my kicking out a passenger video, and we're gonna give you the reasons why I think, or when I think it's acceptable to kick out a passenger. So let's go ahead and start the 3-minute timer now. Let's knock this out here real quick. So I really only think for the most part, there's 2 reasons, and I'm sure I'm missing something here, but for me personally, off the top of my head, 2 reasons to kick out a passenger. And 1 is they're being rude or disrespectful, and 2 is there's a safety issue. And that being said, I think you can kick a passenger out whenever the hell you want to, for whatever reason you deem fit, because it's your car, your vehicle. If you want them out, you want them out. Now, I'm not saying that every reason is an acceptable reason, but I do think it's your car, it's your business, you do as you want with it. But those are the only 2 reasons I think that are acceptable reasons to kick somebody out. If they're being rude to you, yelling at you, or just have an attitude and you just don't want to put up with it, pull over, find a safe place to let them out, and let them out. Like, don't kick them out in the middle of the highway, obviously, unless they're being really threatening and, you know, you really need to get them out of your car. But find a safe place, preferably a well-lit area, because you don't know what's going to happen when you kick that person out of your car. You don't know if they're going to go crazy and try to attack you or whatnot. So just be ready for anything. Pull over and then tell them that they need to get out of your vehicle and that you've ended the trip and you cannot continue. The second reason would be a safety issue. So again, if they're being threatening towards you to start with, or you just feel very unsafe in that vehicle, or if your car has some sort of safety issue, then let them out and end the ride there as well. But biggest thing with this is, again, it's your vehicle, your time. You can choose who rides in your car. So keep that in mind at all times, but also Uber and Lyft can kick you off the platform whenever they want to. So don't be out here kicking people out for ridiculous reasons. But then also remember that something can happen when you kick a passenger out. So just be careful when you're kicking someone out. Like, I mean, if it's a 5-minute ride and they're being an asshole, don't kick them out. Finish the damn 5-minute ride or like whatnot. But if you're going to be in that car for a significant time, and significant is up to your own discretion. I think generally for me, like, I'm looking at, if it's over 15 minutes and I'm feeling very uncomfortable with the ride, we're going to end it. Or if they're being very rude, we're going to end it. And that being said, I've truly kicked 1 person out of my car. So, I mean, like, it's not like I'm out here doing this all the time, but I just, don't be discriminatory. Don't be different things when you're kicking people out of your car. Obviously, like I said, it's your business. You can do what you want to do, but in my opinion, you should not be discriminatory. You should not kick people out for random reasons and whatnot. But safety, rude, vulgar, threatening behavior from the passenger, then you're going to need to kick them out, in my personal opinion. But that doesn't happen often. It's very rare. But that's the 3 minutes for today. Again, ask me some damn questions so I can elaborate on things for you. And I do answer some questions in the comments and stuff. There's shorter questions, easier to answer, quick, straightforward things. So until I get some good questions, and I did have those tax questions, so like there were good questions there for me to elaborate on the 2 previous videos. So like there has been some good questions, but just not a lot, one after another. So until we get more questions, we'll continue elaborating on things that I want to talk about or things that I think are important. But and before I get out of here, I'm going to give, so we crossed 500 subs, so it's time for the gift card giveaway. And so I'm going to give until Saturday night, the end of Saturday, for you to follow through with the gift card instructions in order for you to enter for it. And then we'll kind of close it out, and I'll choose winners. I think it's 3. I checked it. I think it's three winners. So we'll knock that out of there and get that taken care of as well. But until next time, guys, I appreciate the views, appreciate the comments, appreciate the likes. As always, just thanks for watching. Thanks, guys.